Hey guys, welcome to my video. My name's Tony, and in this video I'm going to show you how to look for an issue with the 99 to 04 Grand Cherokee. So in this video I'll show you how to diagnose look for a problem that happens when your heat defaults to the defrost setting and you had 99 to 04 Grand Cherokee, the 4.0 in it, and I'll show you, an easy way to look for this stuff. So if you have one of these Jeep Grand Cherokees, it's like a 99 to 04 with the 4.0 motor in it, and you turn your heat setting, it's like a setting like, face level or foot level, and for whatever reason there's no air coming out and it's defaulted to defroster. One thing to check, if you have the 4.0 motor in your truck, go outside and I'll show you, like on your motor, there's a vacuum wire out there that tends to become disconnected from the engine block. So come on out, open the hood, and on the driver's side, you can see it right there. You're going to see, if this is what's causing it, you'll see a tip right there. Sorry, I cleaned out my camera lens. You see a tip right here, and you might see a dangling vacuum wire right here. So if you take your wire, plug it back in. You can probably hear it in the video. You can hear like the vacuum loss. That's all you want to do is put that line back on. And I'm doing this with the motor running for the video, but I really, we don't want to have the motor running. So it's this vacuum cord right here. Plug it back in. Make sure it's on there good. They tend to fall off. They weren't on there that's secure from the factory. And if it becomes an issue or falls off, well, you may want to put like a tire, like a wire tie or something like that, snip it so it stays on there securely. So now you should be able to go back into your truck. And if that's what was causing it, you should have your settings back. And everything should come back out through the vents as it once did, and everything should work properly. So I hope this helps you out. It's a pretty common issue. It's happened to me a couple times, not with this particular truck, but with a couple of these Grand Cherokees that I've had. If you have any other issues that this has caused, definitely leave a comment. Let us know what happened in your situation. And if this has helped you out, I hope it did. Write a comment too, and let us know how you made out. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Help us out. Thanks for watching.